how to get a soundboard on Roblox, or you could add your own soundboards. You could play the honk, the fart, or the sad sounds. All the popular sounds, including that. You could also play 1,000 other sounds like the cat, dog, FPS, a lot of options for completely free. You could also use your mic while doing all of this. Alright, so what you have to do firstly is you're gonna have to go to your browser. Then once you're in your browser, you're gonna have to search up voice mod, and you're gonna have to click on the second link right here. I'm gonna try to leave a link in the description too. It should say voicemod.net. Then once you're here, you're gonna have to click on download for free. Once you click on that, it should make you sign in. Then once you sign in, it should take a while and it should automatically download. And if it does, you're gonna have to click on this link right here where it says please click if it doesn't download automatically. So just click on that. Then once you click on that, it should download. So just cross this out. Now you're gonna go to your files. You're gonna have to go to downloads. Then once you're in downloads, it should be right here. Just click on that. Now it should ask you to select setup language. Just click on English. Now for this, just click on next. For this, just click on I accept the argument. For this, just click on next. Next again. Next again. Now as you guys can see, it's installing right here. I was gonna tell you to plug your headphone in, so just click on next. From here, obviously you're gonna have to click on soundboards because we don't want voice changes as of right now, but you could also use voice changes if that's what you want. But on soundboards, you're gonna have to click on voice mode starter. Then once you click on that, you have a lot of options right here. For example, you have the alert, you have arrow, you have honk, you have the sad sound. So you have a lot of options you could choose from. If you click on this, you have way more options. You have cats, you have dogs, you have a lot of options you could go through, like a lot. But if you want to add a custom soundboard, you're gonna have to click on the second option right here. Now from here, it should take you to this page right here. Now from here, you're gonna have to select one of them. So for example, I select on this one right here. I could upload my own sounds, my own soundboard. So if you want a sound from TikTok, you're gonna have to go on TikTok, find the sound, and you're gonna have to search up TikTok sound converter. It's gonna make you download it super easy, super simple, and it's super helpful. Alright, now from here, what you have to do is you're gonna have to go on Roblox. And once you're on Roblox, you're gonna have to join a game with a mic. Then once you're in the game, you click on escape, go on settings. Then once you're on your settings, you're gonna have to scroll down. And on this account, I don't have a mic, but if you do have a mic, it should say input device right here and output device. For both of them, you're gonna have to put the voice mod one, as you guys can see right here. It's set from my output device line, voice mod, virtual audio device. You're gonna have to do the same thing for output or any other mics if you have right here. Then once you do that, you're gonna be able to talk in game while using the soundboards. So if this would have helped you, make sure you like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.